Great morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Today we are going to start Unit 3rd, that is a digital documentation chapter working with tables. In the chapter of working with table, we will discuss how we can create a table. Before creating a table, we will discuss what do you mean by table. That is an intersection of rows and columns that form a table. Means if we combine a row and column, they will make a particular data in an different way, that is the table. How we can create a table? There are three methods to create a table. First one is a table, and then you have to go insert table. Second method is that click on table icon on the standard toolbar, and third one is that method shortcut key, that is a control plus F12. After using any one of the methods, specify the number of rows and columns in the dialog box. If you use any one method out of three methods, then you will see a dialog box will appear in a screen. See, first of all you have to go on a table, then you have to select insert table, then you will see this dialog box, then you can write any name in your table name, and then you can specify the rows and columns here. And if you want to change, if you want to make some changes in your rows and columns, then you can apply changes. And if you want to change styles of the table, then you can apply from there. Then you have to click OK. See, a table is appear at your screen. Next method is see directly from the table. If you click on this, a table will appear. Then you can select any number of rows and columns which you want to make it. Third method is that method. See here, you can press directly Ctrl plus F12, then directly a table will appear on your screen. This is the three methods by which you can create a table. Next one we will discuss the advantages of table. Using table you can easily find out the information as the data is summarized in the form of columns. Means if you use the table, then if there is so many information and data about the students, then you can easily summarize because all the things are in a proper way and it makes the data more understandable and efficient. It will help to make your data easily understandable and efficient, and it provides detailed information in group form. It also helps in comparison of the data easily. The data arranged in table looks more clear and neat. For example, if we want to make a student information from the table, then you can easily find out. Okay, next one is the operations on a table: inserting rows and columns, deleting rows and columns, splitting and merging cells in a table, deleting a table, copying a table. In this video we will discuss all the things, and last one is the moving a table. Let me start from the inserting rows and columns. See, in this screen you already make a table of 4 rows, 2 rows and 4 columns. And if you want to insert the more rows and more columns, how you will insert? First of all, you have to select this table, and then you have to go on the table on the screen. See, yes, you have to go on a table, then you have to go on a insert icon. See, there is a option insert row, column. Okay, column after, column before. You can insert anything. Means suppose you are here and you want to insert a row after that, then you have to click just on it. Then you have to go on a table, insert, and column after. See, there is a column will appear after the column where you work. And you want to insert column before, see there is a work, here you are work with the particular table, there is a icon and you press the column before, there will be a column insert before your working table. And if you want to make any some changes, if you want to make the rows insertion after this first column, then you have to go table insert and row after. See, after the RIA first column, first row, you see a new row will appear in your table. Yes, look at your screen. And if you want to make some changes in the width and you want to make some changes in your table, then you can also apply these changes. Yes, there is a second option, that is a insert. Then you have to go on that thing which we already discussed, but if you want to delete it, then you have to select it, you know very well, and you have to give a right click, delete, and then you have to cut it. Okay, and if you want to delete from there you have to go table and you have to go on a delete option. See, rows, column and table, how much do you want to delete? If you press on a particular row, then the row will delete it, particular column will delete it. If you delete on a table, if you click on a particular icon table, then all the table will delete it. See in your figure. And if you want to insert, if you want to give some spaces, and if you don't want to write here any heading, then you have to go on a split. Then see. Okay. This chapter is totally based on your practical. That's why all the things we are done in a practical form. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Okay, and if you want to, yes dear, if you want to split the cells, then you have to go on a split. Okay, then you have to go on a split and see, there is a dialog box will appear. From where do you want to insert or merge, or you want to create a space between them, from the row side and from the column side. See, from the column side, firstly the RIA 9th write in a row, and after splitting that it is writing in a column way. Okay. And if you want to make some changes in a particular cell width in a heading, then you can also apply some changes in it. And if you want to make copy of that table, then you can copy that particular table. Firstly, you have to select this and click on the table copy. See, there is a firstly option how we don't want to need any heading in this table. See, there is no heading in the tables. You have to go on a split, then you have to go on a particular heading where there is a no any space. Okay. And if you want to copy it, second feature is that then you have to select firstly all the table. Look at the figure, look at your screen also. that is option for merge. Okay, if you want to merge or combine two or more cells at a one cell, for that purpose you all know we use the merge cell option. That is a way to creating a new table, and if you want to merge it, then you have to select both the tables, and then you have to go on a table and there is option of merge cells. Then you have to click yes. See dear, merge cells, these two tables are combined together and they will form only a single table. That is a way to combine two different types of tables in a single table. Similarly, if you want to combine two cells, more than two cells, you can easily combine. Now the option is that if you want to copy it, first of all you have to select it, then you have to go this option. Yes, select. Select, after that you have to go on a copy. Yes, that is a shortcut way to copy your table. You just have to click on it and you have to just paste it. Yes, that's option for paste. You have to click on it. See, another table will appear. In this video, we see that how we can create a table, how the different types of operations can be performed on a table, how we can copy, how we can insert the rows, how we can insert the table, how we can delete the rows and columns. I hope you will understand it better way. Okay, further we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. लो हो गई।